Play something with the long intro for
you. Yo. Track 6.
All right, man. I wanted to play your shit, but we can't get the iPod working, but we're going to get it working tonight.
I got a CD with this shit
but
on it.
You want to try the CD? All right, well, we're going to base it out first, and then we'll do that.
Drop bottom without bottoming out.
We'll try that out for sure.
Disengage any equalizers, epicenters, or other bass enhancement devices, as they will not be necessary for this track.
This is just a little demo of the kind of pressure that it'll put out. I'm just going to turn that little cigarette lighter right there, okay?
What's up? I just told that boy Chicken, man, really what it is it's really a torture chamber. It was pounding in there, but that shit is gonna kill somebody, man. I swear.